for my current position, which is School to Career Coordinator with Harnett County Schools CTE, which is a lot of words. But my main responsibilities now include post-secondary partnerships. So just helping to ensure we have seamless pathways from our high school CTE programs into our local colleges and community colleges where our students will go get higher ed. And I also work with business and industry partners. So a lot of what I do is I try to enhance the programs that already exist in Harnett County Schools to meet the needs of our workforce as well as post-secondary, but also pitch ideas and try out new ideas and implement ideas as seen and supported by our CTE director to expand opportunities for our students here. Recently, we've seen a huge boom in Harnett County Schools with regards to construction trades and welding, also areas of agriculture and healthcare. And it just so happens that those are our top economic areas that have the highest hiring needs. And so in order to align with that, we have spent much of our time over the last 2 to 3 years addressing the needs of the local economy. The support of our CTE director, Dr. Aaron Fleming, and South River Electric Membership Corporation, we were awarded the capital credits refund in CTE. And my director knew exactly what he wanted to utilize it for, and it was to purchase a trailer and outfit it with state-of-the-art equipment to address the local hiring needs. We prioritized agriculture, which includes welding, construction trades, and healthcare. That addresses our top 3 industries that I've spoke about earlier. So we went with, vendors that we already had a working relationship with that we knew specialized in products in agriculture and construction trades. So we reached out to Realityworks and we were given the opportunity to have a demo of a welding simulator done for us. We knew welding was high on our list of needs to have outreach in our community, because if you're at a community event and you have children there, you also have parents, and some parents are looking to shift gears and change where they are in the workforce. And this gives a great opportunity to just teach the masses about trades and do that in a user-friendly and fun way where they're comfortable. So, we were trained on the equipment through Realityworks. We had great support with that. I feel confident that our teachers, our director, myself, and some others on our team in career development, we could all go out. So if one of us is unavailable, and easily show someone how to hop on the simulator and learn about MIG welding and stick welding and various other methods. And it's fun and engaging for students. So there's 2 tables behind me. One table has the welding simulator. Obviously, that's something we're going to talk about. It is not hooked up to power. We don't have to have Wi-Fi to use it, which is what makes it awesome for something like this, is we can take it anywhere. We have a Milwaukee power source on our trailer, which is a battery operated generator. It's very quiet, and it will give us power we need for any period that we need to be somewhere, because we just switch out the batteries. So if anyone is interested in using a welding simulator for something like this that's mobile, there's a way to do it, and it's super easy, and everything's lightweight, easily packable. So it's totally doable wherever they are. Have students who are well trained on these simulators. There is no better public speaker or representative for what you do in CTE than a high school student who has mastered a skill set and can turn around and teach another child or adult how to do that. So one of our extra layers and goals we have for the year moving forward is to be able to allow students who are ready for a leadership role and really great at a trade they are learning to come with us to events and take a field trip with us to an elementary school and talk about how they were the student in 5th grade who didn't read so well, or they were the student in 5th grade who had a hard time sitting still in their desk. And then they got into career and technical education and they found something to do with their hands that they love, and they've now found their way. And they can talk about the internship that they are in, or the apprenticeship they're going to sign into, or the community college program that they're going to go to for free because of dual enrollment opportunities. So, having think small if you're going to do a trailer, but see the potential to grow this into something that is self-sustainable, that includes every human that engages with your programs. And high school students certainly are one of the most important ones.